Hello everybody, welcome back, and today I want to talk about, I'm really trying to think here how to say this. So we've had older iPhones and stuff like that where we would sit there and create, whatever, right? So before iOS, and some of you guys can correct me, around the iOS 10.3 and earlier, right? We've had before iOS 10.3 and iOS 10 and all of that, we've had really good lock and unlock sound. It sounded like a loud, lock, and then it sounded like a loud unlock, and honestly I missed that. I'm trying to think of more things to say, really, but in all my honest opinions, in iOS 26, they didn't bring anything back that, with the lock and unlock, what sound you can make it. That would really be neat for Apple to do. Now, I love iPhones. I remember my first iPhone of an iPhone 4S. And I was a youngster, so first thing I didn't know was, why is the phone talking to me, blah, 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 right? Well, eventually I knew why, and it's because of VoiceOver. Like all accessibility screen readers, it's to help the blind see what they're doing. VoiceOver, in any sense of the word, is like, how do I describe it? It's gestures, and it's like, it's built-in screen reader. It's like having somebody tell you what's on the screen, except it's a phone doing it. Your phone talks to you and tells you who's calling. Some people just rely on Siri and don't rely on learning everyday tasks. There's not a lot of things that Siri can do. Previously, you cannot get Siri to block a contact. It would be surprising if you did. You can get Siri to do a bunch of other things, like tell you the time. For example, what time is it?
It's 12:42 a.m.
There you go. It will tell you the time. What I played for you was the lock sound. I will not be unlocking my phone for this one, because I'm pretty sure everybody has heard VoiceOver's new unlock sound, sounding more electronic. What else can I say about the iPhone? I remember the old ringtones, the old text tones, and I'm happy with the new ringtones and the new text tones. There are a few things that I am happy with when it comes to the new iPhone. I believe that you can do more on it than you could have done in previous other iPhones. I'm so happy that we have new voiceover voices like Samantha Enhanced, Alex, Ava, etc. On different phones, I have Alex on one phone and the Samantha Enhanced on another. Why? Because I missed the Samantha Enhanced voice on that phone. I remember well before iOS 8, when I got my iPhone 5C back in 2015, I barely knew how to do anything, such as check for software updates and other stuff. I've gradually taught myself how to do all these things and know what I know now. So what else do I know about iPhone? In my honest opinion, iPhone beats Android in all the sense of the word. For one thing, you can do just about anything with Safari, the App Store, YouTube, stuff like that. Voice control. Shout out to, and I don't know if this person listens to my YouTube channel, shout out to a friend of mine, I don't know if she even has YouTube, her name is Camille, for showing me voice control. I appreciate it and use it on a daily basis. Let's dive deeper into what other stuff I can do. You can do dictation with 2-finger double tap, 4-finger quadruple tap. Let's find out what, or 3-finger quadruple tap, and let's find out what each does. 3-finger double tap turns on and off speech.
Starting help to stop help. Perform a 4-finger double tap. 12:46 Saturday, 12:46 a.m. Speech off.
So if you lock this phone, it will take it out of help mode. I didn't know that, but I'm glad that I know that now. And quite obviously, I can just say that I'm proud to use dictation. I've never used the built-in keyboard. It's too slow for me. It takes about 7 minutes to write a little text, but I can dictate to my heart's content. Another thing nice about the latest software updates, if I may add, is quite obviously the auto punctuation is great. I don't have to worry about writing periods, question marks, exclamation marks, stuff like that anymore. I never have. Let me see if I could think of anything else. I've gotten used to the no home button. I think it's great. I'd love to see Apple make the power button, the volume switch rockers, and stuff like that all haptic buttons, like how they did with the home button before they decided to remove it. I honestly miss the haptic feedback engine and therefore find it cool. So anyways, I hope everyone's enjoying your day. I hope you guys stay safe, take care, and I will see you in the next video.